Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be exposing LSSC, which is Lightning Shared Scooter Company. It is a platform that claims that you can earn big by investing in shared scooters. But is it actually real or just another online scam? Let's just try to find that out in today's video. So here is how LSSC presents itself. It says that you can rent or invest in the electric scooters that generate daily profit as people use them. It sounds great, right? But when you dig deeper, things start to look suspicious. First of all, the company info is unclear. There is no verified business registration or official address listed to the website. Secondly, many users online have reported that they couldn't withdraw the funds or get fake rental earnings after the first few days. The application also uses the referral bonuses heavily, meaning it pays users more for bringing others in and not from the real scooter rentals, which is a classic red flag for the Ponzi style scams. And when you try to contact the support, it's either automated or unresponsive, which is another warning sign. So, legit platforms always show the clear contact details and working social pages. So, after checking everything, LSSC looks very risky and not a genuine business. So my recommendation would be to stay away from it unless they provide any real transparency or legal proof. So if you have used it, you can share your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay alert about online money scams. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.